We're excited to present our video blog series on multifamily design. The series is hosted by architect Jeremy Baldwin, Mago DeStefano's multifamily studio leader. In this first video, Jeremy discusses the 4 C's of multifamily design.
4 C's that I see in multifamily are cost, codes, community, and collaboration. I think you need all 4 of those to have a successful project. When you talk about cost, it really comes down to making a project viable for the client, because if you don't have a cost-effective project, it's not going to get off the ground. When you're talking about codes, you're trying to get creative with the new energy codes that we have in place in Massachusetts now, but also all the building codes. And that's why you see a lot of podium-style construction in the multifamily business, because it makes a cost-effective project. And then when we start talking about community, it's all about bringing the village together of all the developers, the engineers, the architect, really the entire surrounding community, because everybody has a say in what gets built in their municipality. But then when we talk about collaboration, it's making sure that everybody's on the same page from the beginning, that everybody is going to come together for the greater goal of the client. I start with cost, but I see all of them as independent, because if you lose one of them, the project really has a stumbling path forward to get built. But we have a good precedent of other projects that we've built and what is financially viable. If you don't have the community on board, it can really make for a tough project to go through, because when you're talking about residential housing, it becomes a very contentious topic when you get in front of some of these municipalities, especially the smaller communities where 40B projects are being built. We talk about a design assist model a lot of times when we get the contractor on board. What that allows us to do is become aware of where the cost is going, because we do price exercises early on, cost per unit, cost per square foot, and that gives the ownership a good idea of what they're looking at for their financing. So if we're able to get that going early on, especially coordinating with our engineers and what those building systems are going to be, that gives an accurate depiction of what the project is going to be.